systems detected.
Magazine loaded. System online.
Fuck me. How you firing that? Jesus! I don't like how you did it. But that is fucking beautiful! Okay, you got Cell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
Warning. High altitude defense tower 3 Delta 3 has been disabled. Response units relocate to that sector immediately.
Give me an update on your position. Let's link up.
Roger that.
Gunslinger 2-1, action. Enemy ICOM chatter indicates they're still in the area. How copy?
Good copy. We're just coming up on the area now, over. Charlie team, take the lead. Roger. Think it was the rebels? No way. They've been trying to hit that tower for weeks. This was something bigger. Advance and indicate. Roger.
Those electric arrowheads you got can light up a large area. Try them out in the lake there.
Security lockdown in effect.
Maximum armor. Cloak engaged.
Threat level is now elevated.
Huh? What's that?
Warning. Primary asset has been destroyed.
Laying down suppressive fire!
Heads up, Prophet. Cell reinforcements en route.
Insurgent activity reported in perimeter structure.
I need help!
Sector is now in lockdown. Warning. Primary asset has been destroyed. Security lockdown in effect.
Get up!
Sector is now in lockdown.
Die, motherfucker!
Heads up. Cell weapons drop near your location.
Threat level is now elevated. Warning. Insurgent activity reported in perimeter structure. Security lockdown in effect.
Oi! How'd you find that gun?
It's not important.
I hope you know what you're messing with. Come on. We'll cut through the tunnels to the train yard.
Hang on, I'm almost there.
You know, it is important. There's a lot of talk about you in the suit. Alien modifications, those visions. People aren't even sure what or who you are anymore.
What do you believe?
I'm here, aren't I? Okay, let's keep it quiet here. We're getting close to cell controls. Shh. To go around. You think they heard that? Okay, let's meet on the other side. I don't think they heard that.
I got your back, copy.
They're up there!
Come on, mate, jump over here. You're the one in the dive suit.
I guess they heard us. What the fuck happened here? Check their black boxes, find out how they died. I'm going topside, see what's going on.